Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Roblox avatar not loading. First, hold down the Roblox application icon on your mobile device until a menu appears, and then tap on App Info. In the App Info screen, you'll see an option to force stop the app. Tap on this to close Roblox completely, ensuring no background processes are running. Next, tap on Storage and Cache in the same menu. Here you'll need to clear both the cache and storage by tapping on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. This will remove any temporary files that might be causing the issue. After you've cleared the cache and storage, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then search for Roblox and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve loading issues. Finally, check that your internet connection is working properly. A stable connection is essential for Roblox to load your avatar and other game elements correctly. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.